How to fix compare at price not showing on Shopify. Adding a compare at price to show a discount or sale badge is one of the easiest ways to boost buyer urgency on Shopify. But if you type in a sale price and the strike-through line or discount badge completely fails to show up on your storefront, it usually comes down to 3 common settings glitches that we will fix in this video. So firstly, let's verify that your price numbers and the variant settings inside the product details page are correct. So from your admin page, go to products, select the product that isn't displaying the discount. Here we have the rule number 1. Your compare at price has to be higher than your regular price. If your compare at price is equal to or lower than the main price, Shopify hides the sale formatting automatically. Also, if your product has multiple variants, like sizes or colors, scroll down to the variants section, which is right over here, to make sure the compare at price is filled in for every individual variant rather than just the main parent item. Now, if your numbers are correct, but the strike-through price is still not visible, let's check your active theme settings. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Edit Theme next to your active one. Then navigate to Product Page Templates by using this top drop-down menu. Then you click on this price block under the product information and ensure that any toggle labeled Show Compare at Price or Show Sale Price is checked, okay, in here on the left. Some themes also require you to enable sale badges inside theme settings, right here, and product cards right over here. Make sure that they are enabled. And also, are your compared prices showing for local customers but missing for foreigners? You can check your Shopify market settings. If you use international pricing, market-specific exchange rates or localized price rules often wipe out compared values. So open up your market here, select your country, click Products and Pricing, and ensure that compare at prices are enabled for that specific region. That is it. Enjoy.